If you watch any screen for more than 10 minutes, you'll see them. The banking industry spends billions of dollars every single year to convince you that a piece of plastic is your ticket to the good life. They sell you the illusion of status, first-class flights, exclusive lounge access, and a cashback reward system that is designed to make you feel like an absolute genius. In the time it took you to open this video, Americans have already swiped their credit card over 50,000 times. What looks like a simple, everyday transaction is actually the most perfectly designed wealth transfer machine in human history. Today we're breaking down the hidden psychology, the engineered fine print, and the exact brutal math of how the credit card industry was designed to keep you broke. Let's start with what they want you to see. 2% cashback, travel points, 0% interest over the next 12 months. Sounds like free money, right? Now here's the brutal math of what's actually happening. As of 2026, the average American carries $6,500 in credit card debt. At a modest 24% interest rate, that equates to about $1,500 of interest every year. That 2% cashback on $6,500 worth of spending, that comes out to $130. So you're paying $1,560 to get $130 worth of rewards. That's not a reward. That's a trap dressed up in points. So here's where this gets sinister. Credit cards don't just cost you money. They literally rewire how your brain registers loss. Studies show people spend up to 83% more when paying with card versus cash. Why? Because handing over physical cash creates what behavior psychologists call the pain of paying. You feel that loss. Swiping a card, tapping your phone, your brain barely registers that. And it feels like a video game, to be quite honest. And the banks, they know this. They spent billions of dollars building it this way. Every tap, every swipe, your brain is being actively trained to disconnect the act of spending from the consequence of losing wealth. And the minimum payment feature, that's their absolute masterpiece. Let's look at the exact numbers. You have that same $6,500 in credit card debt at 24% interest. Your minimum payment is right around $130 every month. Now that does feel manageable, right? It'll easily fit in your monthly budget. But here's the truth. If you only make minimum payments, that takes you 34 years to pay off that debt. You heard it right, 34 years. And that total amount that you pay, that equates to just shy of $23,000 on that $6,500 of just the original debt. That is $16,300 in pure interest. Completely gone, siphoned right out of your wallet for taking the easy way out on that Tuesday. And the bank? They collect every penny of it. Now here's the part that nobody talks about. The same banks that issue the debt manipulate the limits to keep you trapped. Now this can certainly vary, but have you ever noticed whenever you're getting close to your maximum limit on your credit card that they suddenly reward you with a credit limit increase? They jump your limit magically from $5,000 all the way up to $10,000. They don't do that because you're irresponsible. If you were irresponsible, they would cut you off. They would lessen your limit. If your limit stays low, your utilization spikes. Your credit score drops and you spend out of fear. By raising your limit, that lowers your utilization, artificially protecting your credit score, just so you feel comfortable borrowing another $5,000. The system is rigged so that you need the card to build credit, but playing their game keeps you in debt. The only move is to understand and flip the rules. And here's exactly what you do. The first rule, never carry a balance. Pay it off every single month. If you can't, the card is beating you. Simply just cut it up. Rule 2, ignore the rewards unless you're 100% debt-free. Chasing 2% cash back while having 24% interest on your balance is a fool's errand. Rule number 3, keep your utilization under 30%. If your limit is $10,000, simply put, keep your balance at under $3,000. Rule number 4, treat your card like physical cash. If you wouldn't hand over a $100 bill for it, don't swipe your card for it. The credit card isn't inherently evil, but it is a weapon. And right now, the bank has it pointed directly at you. 23 grand paid on $6,500 of debt. 34 years of minimum payments. That's the brutal math that they don't put at the airport lounge. If this video changed how you think about your credit card, feel free to share it with your best friend. If you enjoyed this video, you'll absolutely love this video over here, as well as this video over here. YouTube picked them out specifically for you. So hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your night. Take care.